The KF-51 Panther is a new German main battle tank. It was developed by Rheinmetall in response to appearance of Russian next-generation Armata main battle tank, which was a promising design with a number of advanced features. Development of the KF-51 Panther began in 2016. It was developed as a private venture. The tank was publicly revealed in 2022. It is being proposed as a next-generation replacement for Leopard 2 series tanks. The KF-51 is based on the hull of the Leopard 2A4. However, it is fitted with a new turret, which houses a 130mm main gun and is fitted with an autoloader. Modern main battle tanks reached their weight limit already, and armor protection cannot be significantly increased any further. So German developers from Rheinmetall stressed emphasis on active protection system and networking capabilities. The KF-51 Panther tank is armed with a next-generation Rheinmetall RH-130L52 gun. This is a 130mm gun. It outperforms the standard NATO 120mm tank guns in terms of range and lethality. It has 50% longer effective range than the standard Rheinmetall 120mm tank gun. This gun uses newly developed APF-SDS munitions and programmable airburst munitions. The gun is fitted with an autoloader. This allowed to reduce the crew workload. The autoloader consists of 2 revolving drums magazines with 10 rounds each. So a total of 20 rounds for the main gun are stored in the autoloader. During testing, this tank managed to fire 3 rounds in 16 seconds. Maximum rate of fire could be around 10 rounds per minute. Loading hatches are located in the turret sides. These are used to replenish ammunition. It takes 5 minutes to load a full set of ammunition. The autoloader also has unloading and restocking capability. It seems that space inside the hull is no longer used to store ammunition. However, there is an option to carry additional 10 rounds externally on the back of the vehicle. Interesting feature of this new tank is that carries 2 modular launch pods for Hero 120 loitering munitions. Modular launchers are housed in the turret and are configured to carry a total of 4 Hero 120 suicide drones. These provide non-line of sight strike capability. These modular launchers can be configured to carry other drones. This tank has a welded steel armor hull. Composite armor is used over the front arc. There are modules with passive armor. Damaged modules can be easily replaced. Also, there are sensor-based modules with explosive reactive armor that provides protection against heat rounds, as well as many anti-tank rockets and older anti-tank missiles. It is likely that ballistic protection of the hull and turret are similar to those of the Leopard 2A7. Increase in armor protection was not significant due to weight restrictions. So the KF-51 relies on its active protection system. This tank uses Rheinmetall's active protection system. The tank can be fitted with Top Attack protection system. This is the same hard kill active protection system, which destroys incoming rockets and missiles but has an added protection area of the roof. The combat weight of just 59 tons and range 500 kilometers provides far greater mobility than current systems. This puts it in a battle-winning weight category, and it also fits the tunnel profile of MAV P4 leaders without preparation, a requirement that no current MBT upgrade fulfills. Consequently, the Panther excels in tactical and strategic mobility. The future gun system, developed by Rheinmetall, enables a 50% longer kill range to be achieved than 120mm with an unrivaled rate of fire due to the autoloader performance. A 12.7mm coaxial machine gun complements the main gun. Multiple remote-controlled weapon station integration options give flexibility in proximity and drone defense. The optional Hero 120 loitering ammunition capability expands the Panther's strike capability to non-line-of-sight targets and can be mounted depending on role and mission requirements. All weapons are connected with targeting sights and the fire control computer through the fully digitized architecture, allowing for hunter-killer and killer-killer operation, seamless target engagements, and future AI decision support.